Welcome to the first episode of Weekly Tech Roundup by Techspiration. This podcast aims at summarizing all the major tech news updates every week. The first update is by Sony, and this is a good news for all the gamers out there. Sony has finally announced the launch date of PS5 series in India after it was globally launched in November last year. The long-awaited PS5 will go on sale from 2nd of February and will be up for pre-orders starting 12th of January. Sony has unveiled the price list of PS5 and its accessories also. Next update is from Amazon that the company has launched two smart TVs under its Amazon Basics sub-brand starting at Rs 30,000. The TVs come in 50 and 55-inch sizes, both 4K. The next update is from Samsung, and they have started teasing the new Galaxy S21 lineup already. Rumors suggest that the new lineup will be unveiled on 14th of January through a live stream. The price of the lineup is expected to start from Rs 75,000, which may go up to Rs 135,000 in India for the maxed out Ultra variant. You can also pre-book the phone ahead of the launch by giving a token amount of Rs 2,000, which is 100% refundable. The next update is for all the PUBG fans because 4G's release date has been confirmed by Encore Games for 26 January 2021. A new patent by Apple suggests reconfigurable keyboard keys for future MacBook keyboards. This is similar to Touch Bar but for keys. This will be using display components like OLED displays or any other kind of display components. This can be used to perform various functions easily while editing a video or playing a game. We are just a few days into 2021 and Qualcomm has announced yet another 5G chipset to power entry-level smartphones. It's the first chipset in the Snapdragon 400 series named Snapdragon 480 5G. It is an octa-core chipset based on the 8nm process node supporting Quick Charge 4.0. Back in the day, Vaio laptops were legit everyone's choice. However, they exited the market more than 5 years ago, but they are finally making a comeback on 15th of January as teased by Flipkart. Currently, there is no information about the internals. However, looking at the intense competition, it is expected that the new laptops will be launched in the price category of 40 to 50,000 to give competition to Xiaomi and Lenovo. Talking about comebacks, Lava has also entered the Indian market again with 4 new smartphones and a smart band. The new phones come under the new Z series starting from Rs 5,500. Along with these products, Lava also unveiled a program under which buyers would be able to customize their phone's internals as per their liking. And that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you in the next one.